Senator Grace Poe believes that President's move to tap prospective citizen leaders to scrutinize the proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law will help enlighten the public on the legislation. The full report from Jade Miguel.
Senator Grace Poe believes that the public will be enlightened on the goals of the Bangsamoro Basic Law upon the creation of Peace Council. The Peace Council is composed of country's leaders in various fields. They are dubbed as the citizens' leaders. The said council was created by President Aquino for them to review and give recommendations on the BBL. The 5 members of the Peace Council are Manila Archbishop Luis Antonio Cardinal Tagle, business tycoon Jaime Augusto Zobel de Ayala, former Ambassador Howard D., former Chief Justice Hilario Davide Jr. and youth leader Rohaniza Sumdad Usman. In a statement, Poe said that she trusts the credibility and integrity of the said citizens' leaders. However, the senator believes that before the Peace Council communicate with Filipinos regarding the recommendations on the BBL, the Congress must first come up with their version of BBL. In the Senate, the Committee on Local Government chaired by Senator Bongbong Marcos is scheduled to resume their BBL deliberations on April 13. For the People's Television, this is Jade Miguel reporting.